Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Ranger oil life. Keeping your oil life monitor accurate is crucial for proper vehicle maintenance. After an oil change, resetting this system ensures you receive timely reminders for your next service. It's a straightforward process that helps maintain your vehicle's health and prevents any confusing dashboard alerts. Let's get started with the first method. Now, quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading manuals or your favorite novels anywhere. You can find a link to the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your measurements are complete, the next crucial step is analyzing the data. We'll explore the different types of alignment reports generated by the Easy Laser system, helping you understand what each one signifies. You'll learn how to evaluate these results to assess your machine's health and identify any misalignment issues. Finally, we'll cover how to apply effective corrective actions based on your detailed analysis. Beyond basic alignment, Easy Laser offers advanced features to enhance your precision. We'll explore functions like soft foot detection and understanding thermal growth compensation, which are vital for complex machinery. You'll also learn how to leverage the accompanying software for comprehensive reporting and long-term trend analysis. Adopting these best practices will ensure you achieve consistent and highly reliable measurement results every single time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.